Well, hello. Woo! Welcome back to the channel. Almost ran out the door and forgot to take the camera with. It's been so long since I've had to make a video. It's Saturday. It's about 43 degrees outside. It's a beautiful sunshiny day. A little bit of cloud cover over towards the mountains. But we're going to go out and play with the Jimmy. Got the old 84 fired up. Got my tools in the back. Got a few little miscellaneous parts that we need here. Got this under bracket that I had to make up. Hopefully it fits. If not, we'll be drilling it up. So, alrighty, let me get this camera shut off, get the radio turned up. Truck's running. We got almost a full tank of gas. We drive on out to Granite Falls. We'll see you when we get there. We're here. Let's go do a tour of the track real quick, huh? Since y'all haven't seen that for a while. Look, there's still snow on the ground. It's a little sloppy over here. Got a nice big cleared out area over here. Big tree stump on the side there still. Nice little mud pit. It's getting deeper and deeper every time we come out here and tear through it. Little wheel spin. Around the big stump. Around the other stump. All the vegetation's getting beat down. Through the 6 inches of snow still left here. Bouncy, bouncy, and here's my collection. Whew, you can sure tell I haven't been doing YouTube for a while because been working away on the truck and haven't even pulled the camera out. Jimmy, 91. 88 front grille. Motor's in. Working on my dual filter relocation kit. Got the lines run. Had to make a little bracket. And we're working on getting that buttoned up. Right down there. Got the nut on holding it to the firewall. There's a stud that comes out of the firewall right there. This is the same kit that I bought for the 84 Chev, the red and white truck there. But that truck has a hole on the frame where the hose, where the lines come up. And I was able to put a couple of P-clamps right there. But this frame does not have that, so went off that stud, made a little 90-degree bracket, drilled some holes in it, painted it up. But probably don't need clamps on this end, but put them on anyway. Lines are cut to length. The adapter on the block is installed. Everything's essentially wired except for the lights. Gotta swap out the sockets for all that, but that's down the road. We've got coolant. It's down a little bit, but she's been heat cycling, so probably finally pushing it into the heater core and whatnot. But coolant is in there. We've got a gallon of trans fluid in it. And that's showing full, although it's going to take a lot more than that, but nothing in the motor yet. But we're getting close. I got a modified, where did it go? Yep, check the box. It's over, what did he do with it? I don't know if I can show you now. There's a modified bracket for the throttle body, or for the throttle cable and the kickdown bracket. It was over here. I'm not seeing it. We had to take two brackets and weld them together. Kevin had to run back to the shop to go grab something. Oh, there it is, right here, right here. So that will probably mounts that way. Comes off the back of the throttle body, and you can see the welds in there. Had to modify it to get the two different cables. Once that's done, still got to do the plug wires. Still got to prime the oil system. Exhaust is not complete, although we did.
Oh, you making a video?
I'm making a video. Remember doing these?
No.
Pipes are hung, except for where the cat would be.
Yeah.
See, he's alive. Say hi, Kevin.
I'm dead.
Oh, he did. Let's see if we can get you in the shot here so you can see the big pipe there, and there's a gap. Exhaust pipe with straps holding it up. We got stuff floating around to make that gap go away. But
there's light on it. You can actually see it.
You see it? Finally. So, but we're getting close. We're getting so close that it potentially, if we were good mechanics, we'd have this thing fired by the end of the day.
Well, not just good, but not lazy.
Oh yeah, not lazy. Here's the pipe that I bought. And then I have to go over to the inside and start cleaning all that up. But there's your Jimmy update. Mirrors are on. They fit. Okay, I think there's some door damage there.
I saw somebody else complaining about the aftermarket mirrors the body shop had put on. They fit like crap.
Yeah.
Let's just send you a link. There was a truck out at 360 Auto that had what looked like a good set of mirrors on it.
They're probably gone. Those go fast.
Well, the truck was like brand new. They just brought it in.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to send it to you and say, go out there and get it.
Get them now. So, yep, there she is. She's dirty. She's still sitting on the old wheels and tires. But getting closer, bit by bit. It's been, what, a month since I've been out here last with...
Yours are on my parts truck.
The white painted...
They have those on it?
I think it did. Seem to remember. Kind of the like what's on the red truck now. That head, but they had the camper style base, not the big camper style base, but the swing away style or whatever they called them back then. So I guess he's going back to the shop. Well, we'll take you guys with. I'm going to shut you off. We'll go look at the doors on his truck. Be back in a flash. On that should be the factory mirrors on those.
Yeah, so it doesn't have any other holes.
Look out. That's the mirrors we're talking about. Doors, fenders, hood, junk, center section, 9-inch Ford.
Junk turbo.
Oh, junk turbo, where'd that come from?
Duramax. That's good.
Junk.
I'm trying to sell it for a little bit or something.
$2.
That'd be the right size for the 454.
Here's what's left of the 63.
Junk. There ain't much left.
I think I mentioned in a previous video, one of the last couple I've done, I got all the linkage for the parking brake off of this truck. Got the gauge cluster out of her too.
Too bad it's so rusted out. Big back window would have been nice for somebody.
Big back window.
She, all the way around it.
Yeah, she's pretty crusty. Poor old truck. Rusty.
Not a solid piece of metal on this.
Rusty. Floors are gone. Roof is gone. Fenders are gone. That wheel looks good though.
Yeah, wheels are good if you want What were they? 19 and a half?
Yeah.
21 and a half or something weird.
What's Cletus have?
Something weird.
Something weird.
18 and a half.
17 and a half, I think.
Oddball, so.
There's the Ritz Racers. They haven't moved since they got parked here. How long ago?
Well, technically this one moved about a foot over.
Oh, that's true. Somebody may have accidentally, intentionally hit it with the Jeep. This one's got a smashed radiator. As you can see, she's a little twisted. The heap doesn't want to start.
It'll start.
Oh, start. And it shuts itself off. Back to that again. So there's your update. Now back to the Jimmy. Alrighty. Done and done. Stupid head cold is kicking off right now. Got a few things squared away. Got the bracket for the throttle cable and kickdown cable buttoned up. Had to actually make a couple of spacers and raise it up a little bit. Was binding up on the throttle linkage for the throttle body itself. It was hanging up. So it took a little bit of time, a little bit of paint. Sinuses. Got the oil line squared away. That's done. We got next time we're gonna work on the exhaust, get that squared up. Need to order some Lucas or something to squirt into those cylinders just to let them soak. Motor's been buttoned up, but it's been sitting out there for almost a year and a half now, so give it something before we start turning it over. We made a tool from a old distributor to prime the oil pump, so that's set up. I'm going to sneeze here. Almost. Wait for it. Oh, excuse me. There it is. Still got some snow out here, so that was kind of fun. Now we need to get out on the main road. I'm going to go swing by the store and buy some cold medication so I can sleep tonight. Clear left, clear right, out on the road. Give her. So nobody's whipping around the corner and rear ends me. And then, yeah, figure out what I'm going to do for dinner, and that's going to be the end of my night. So we're going to end you all here. Like I mentioned earlier in this video, it was, I can tell that it's been a while since I've made videos. Got into doing a whole bunch of different stuff, and I never even thought to pull the camera out. So we will get back into the swing of things. Actually, on the Boeing Surplus website, they have two big fancy camcorders, the big ones, almost like TV style. They're internal card, memory card style, so it's not like it's a tape or anything. Didn't say what year they were. I forgot to write down what models they were. But I think the bid right now is $200. One, I think it said they knew it works. The other one, they weren't sure. But it's like, oh, probably won't. Don't need anything that big. But anyhow, we got to get back into using these cameras. And I got to get home and get this nose cleared out so I can get into tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday. Need to wash the car. It needs it bad. So we'll catch you on the next one. Y'all be good. I'm going to crank up the tunes and drive it on home. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.